Hi, so here we are at the NEC in the Midlands for the Camping, Caravan and Motorhome show. We'll get to see all the latest additions. Love one of these. Such a good one, isn't it? Nice fabric.
As well. I'm easily pleased. Oh, look at the wardrobe. That'll fit my stuff in quite nicely.
Yeah, got a good fridge as well, isn't it?
Shower. What a nice shower that is. Really spacious washroom. Nice. Look at that. That's like so much space, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Colour scheme's very similar to ours.
Yeah, it's really nice. Spec this one. They're all built to order. It's the same. Well, this is 8.5 metres and that's 8.2. But the
this will be nice. Oh my god. Look at that.
It's very nice, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. If you was out into Caravan, do you know what? And I never thought I liked the separate lounge thing, but it feels quite spacious, doesn't it? Oh, this is gorgeous.
It's got like a compartment in the middle, hasn't it?
I didn't normally like this layout, but I think on this type of van, it works because I think maybe because it's the wider one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know when we had Caravans, I always liked Bessacar.
Yeah, I did. Oh, where'd you put the telly?
On the wall, yeah.
Oh right, yeah you would, yeah.
You have it there.
That beast here. It's a beast. It's got a Hemi engine in it.
That's it.
Yeah. Use some fuel this.
Hey, it's quite a compact layout.
Well, it smells lovely in here. Look at the garage, this is massive. Bigger than our garage, that.
It doesn't feel sort of, because I wasn't so sure about these seats like this, but actually, because this is quite long, isn't it? And the TV comes up there,
yeah.
It's like a suede.
I know, I like it, I like this.
It's got an oven, which is great. So look at the bathroom.
It's a wet room.
Yeah, but it doesn't, I think it's not as bad because you've got that, haven't you?
Yeah, that would slide round.
You can separate it a little bit. But yeah, I prefer to have them separate. Nice
I like all the
finishes,
shelves,
aren't they?
all the shelves at the back. Look at the wardrobe. Yeah, it's a bit like ours, really, where you have to reach in. Oh, this is nice.
It is nice. And you know, it's not that much. It's not much bigger than what we've got now, is it?
Because this though, it goes up and down. Like,
Doesn't it?
it comes out. Like, see it?
Yeah.
It's very good.
It's got a proper kitchen area.
That's very nice, isn't it? Is this over the cabin?
That's over the cab.
Yeah, it's really good.
But how good's that? Because I know your cab's there, but you just raise it. It's got a separate washroom to the shower, which I like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very nice. Go on then, spin it. Oh, no. Close. Oh well, never mind. It's a very good insurance company anyway. So. End of the NEC show. Back to the van for a brew, I think.
Campsite guide.
Yeah, and the new Cadac barbecue. And interestingly, I've done 3 miles walking around the show. So that's quite funny, really. See you soon.